Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Turkish Şöbiyet Baklava making. Details about the content of making baklava in this video. How to expand the Şöbiyet Baklava dough. How to shape a Şöbiyet Baklava. What is filled in the Şöbiyet Baklava? How to fry baklava in the oven. How should the sherbet be and the consistency of the baklava? Baklava master kneads dough early in the morning with the help of machine. Ingredients for dough: 1 kilogram of hard flour, wheat, 3 eggs, 15 g salt, 360-400 g cold water. After kneading for 1 hour, the dough comes out as thin strips with the help of the machine. But these doughs are not thin enough for baklava. Doughs are kept for 1 hour and rolled out to be thinner by hand. Wheat starch is sprinkled between the doughs. It is important to throw the starch in the form of a dust cloud. After adding 8 layers of dough, the expansion process is done gradually. After the dough is rotated for a couple of turns, it is extended by bending it with both hands, thus expanding the dough. When the starch ratio is insufficient, it is necessary to add starch between each dough again. The dough reaches a length and width of about 150 to 200 centimeters after opening. The thinned dough is folded in half and cut in the middle. Now the dough is 16 layers. Five centimeters slices of baklava are cut. Pistachios. Adding pistachios to baklava slices. A mixture of milk and semolina is added to baklava cream. The preparation of this cream is made with milk and semolina. Semolina is added to the boiling milk. 100 grams of semolina is added for 1 kilogram of milk and mixed. After being added to the tray, it is cooled and ready for use. Adding pistachios on top. After the dough is closed, the Şöbiyet baklava shape is ready. Şöbiyet baklavas are added to the aluminum tray. Baklavas are placed one row straight and one row upside down. After the tray is completely filled, 65 slices of baklava are prepared. Adding melted butter to it. "15 kilograms of sugar and 7 kilograms of water are boiled for sherbet. Adding a few pinches of lemon juice. 700 grams of water for 1.5 kilograms of sugar. Thick woods are burned in a stone-paved furnace and full embers are expected. When the oven temperature is 220 degrees, the appropriate temperature for baking baklava is obtained. Baklava is added and cooked for an average of 10 to 12 minutes. It is necessary to turn the tray every 5 minutes. After the baklava is completely fried, the extra butter is drained. This fire oven with a rotating mechanism is used to fry the bottom of the baklava. Baklava is hot and sherbet is added hot. After it cools down, peanuts will be added on it and it will be ready to serve. We can test the consistency and crispiness of the baklava. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Recipes Chef Salim. If you want to donate, you can leave a tip. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.